It is undeniable that America's giant wood crushers play an important role in turning wood materials into high-value products. Please join us in following the wood processing process of these advanced machines. Like and subscribe to our channel and you will have good luck tomorrow. Starting with this advanced giant, an innovative machine that is revolutionizing the woodworking industry. With advanced technology and precise engineering, it delivers outstanding performance in the wood chipping process. With a sturdy structure and powerful engine, Gen's Hem 700DL easily turns large logs into high-quality wood chips that bring high value in today's forestry industry. Biomass 84RBZ is a versatile and powerful wood chipper designed for heavy-duty operations. It effectively processes large volumes of wood waste into valuable shreds. With a sturdy design and powerful engine, and a capacity of about 1,000 horsepower, the Rotochopper B66T easily turns waste wood into valuable resources such as mulch and biomass fuel. The class Serion 4000 is equipped with the NHS 450 wood chipper, a force in the agriculture and forestry sector. This can effectively process wood waste on the go, making land management tasks seamless. A beast in the woodworking industry with an impressive oak consumption capacity, the Moorebark 1300 tub grinder plays a vital role in turning wood waste into valuable material. Introducing the dynamic duo of John Deere and Oesch, a formidable combination in the field of agricultural machinery. This cooperation is important in modern farming practices and the rapid processing of hard woods. Meet the powerful pair of Fendt 1042 Vario and Eschelbock Biber 92 MHA. This is revolutionizing the agricultural efficiency. Renowned for their advanced wood chopping capabilities, this duo seamlessly tackles forestry tasks with skill and speed. The Gens HEM 821DQ is an advanced wood chipper that easily processes large quantities of wood material, making it indispensable in forestry operations. The Rotochopper B66L series is a powerhouse in wood crushing and recycling technology. This machine boasts impressive capabilities, processing up to 1,000 cubic meters of wood waste per hour to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. With the Allback 2000, operators can tackle even the toughest jobs with ease, maximising productivity and minimising downtime in the forestry industry. The ability to quickly and efficiently convert wood waste into valuable debris makes Jens Hacker indispensable for sustainable forestry practices and renewable energy production. Equipped with a Cat C27 engine with the capacity of up to 1,050 horsepower, the Moorbach 1300 can effectively process large volumes of wood material, turning wood into valuable mulch or biomass raw materials. The advanced features of the Rotochopper FP66 ensure stable wood chip size and outstanding product quality, making it indispensable in industries such as landscaping and biomass production. The Jens HE700 STA easily processes large volumes of wood material. This is important for industrial scale forestry operations and biomass processing plants. With an impressive capacity to process more than 100 cubic meters of wood per hour, the Beltramelli Johan is considered a key tool in land management and forestry. With the ability to shred wood into manageable pieces and the precision of a screener, the dynamic duo of wood chipper and screener streamlines operations, maximizing efficiency. The Allback 2000 processes more than 100 cubic meters of wood per hour. This is a key asset in the forestry and biomass industries, effectively converting raw materials into valuable resources. Introducing the Bandit Beast Mode 2680, a beast of a machine designed to conquer the toughest wood grinding jobs. It is the right choice for forestry operations, site clearance projects, and biomass processing facilities. Equipped with a powerful motor, the Moorebark 1300 tub grinder delivers outstanding productivity, capable of grinding up to 900 cubic yards of material per hour. The Vermeer TG7000 wood chipper is a game changer in the world of woodworking. Its advanced features and sturdy construction make it indispensable in converting large timber into valuable wood chips. Equipped with a sturdy drive chain mechanism, the Pezolato PTH 1200-1000M drum wood chipper operates smoothly with the powerful Scania DC16 160708 engine, contributing to sustainable forestry practices. It is a true masterpiece of the forestry machinery industry. The versatile Willyband UH4800 multi-wood chipper boasts powerful performance with advanced technology, driven by a powerful motor that processes a wide variety of wood materials. The Gens HEM 561Z chipper, combined with the powerful Fendt 936 Vario tractor, represents efficiency and performance in the world of wood chipping. The high-performance features of the Bioforger Jens HEM 820, along with its efficient feed system, make it a vital component in large-scale forestry operations. The Allback Diamond 2000 is an excellent forestry product, designed to tackle the toughest challenges with skill, underlining its importance in optimizing wood usage. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. We promise to bring you more interesting videos again. See you soon. Let's start with the most modern Vermeer HG6000 Level 4 crusher at Hezhou. With its rugged design and advanced features, this beast of a mill is built to handle the toughest woods with ease, keeping processing plants running non-stop. This is a close-up of the wood processing factory with the giant Vermeer HG6000 machine. With its powerful 755 horsepower engine, it easily tackles the toughest wood crushing jobs, ensuring high productivity and efficiency. Famous for its ability to operate quickly and process wood effectively, this wood chipper plays an important role in turning giant logs into valuable wood chips. This helps to create wood products and grow strongly in the world's current market. With its powerful motor and precise grinding abilities, the Carlton SP6016 effectively breaks down large stumps into fine mulch, clearing the way for new growth and development. Operating at impressive speeds, the Terex forestry machines can crush wood slices into small pieces in a short time, contributing to balancing the natural environment to help the long-term development of forestry wood. Terex forestry machines can crush wood slices into small pieces in short time, contributing to the balance of the natural environment. Equipped with a TWD 1683VE engine, a 6-cylinder powerhouse delivering an impressive 585 kilowatt or 796 horsepower of raw power. The Volvo drum chipper easily converts large logs into wood chips for various applications. Equipped with an 88 horsepower Kubota diesel engine with a planing capacity of up to 6 inches, the Altec WC126 2009 drum chipper plays an important role in the woodworking industry.
The Jensen JT600 plays an important role in the local forestry industry. With its sturdy design and impressive performance, it efficiently handles wood grinding tasks, ensuring optimal productivity. Next, the high-capacity Moorebark 83-inch wood chipper is a powerful machine in wood processing, effectively converting large logs into wood chips and meeting the needs of the forestry industry and human world. The Moorebark 30 RXL is a multi-purpose lumber mill designed to efficiently process large hardwood logs into manageable pieces, meeting the needs of sawmills and wood processing operations. The perfect combination of wood crusher and crane turns large logs into small ones. It processes them in a short period of time with precision and speed. This giant machine is a big challenge for the forests. The Pezolato PTH 1000M drumwood chipper is equipped with a Scandia DC16 engine and 656 horsepower, allowing efficient processing of large volumes of wood, turning them into valuable wood chips. The stumps were quickly scaled by the Biomass HG6000 Tier 4 final, a force in the world of horizontal grinders. This advanced machine has helped people save time and labour health, and is also an important part in protecting the environment. With a compact design that can move on many difficult terrains, the Ultec WC126 2009 drum chipper effectively turns wood into chips, creating favourable conditions for wood processing activities. With powerful grinding ability, the stump grinder can crush tree stumps into small pieces, helping to improve the soil as quickly as possible. The remote-controlled Carlton 7015 machine easily processed the stump in a short period of time. The Micro Morbark 4036 chipper is a force in the forestry industry, boasting a 316 blade advantage drum and powered by a powerful Cat C27 engine. It generates 800 horsepower. It efficiently produces 3 8-inch chips. The Bandit Beast Model 2680 is a formidable machine known for its reliability and power. It easily tackles woodworking jobs and transforms raw materials into valuable end products. With its advanced features and innovative design, the giant machine stands out as an important role in the forestry industry, making woodworking easy and effective. Equipped with advanced features and impressive power, combined with a massive crane, this machine effectively tackles wood handling tasks, ensuring smooth operations and high productivity. After being crushed, these pieces of wood will be transported to seedling farms and fields that play a role in agricultural development. Witness the meticulous wood processing of the CH260 EL machine, leading the market in efficiency and precision in the forestry field, ensuring maximum output while minimizing working time throughout the day. The Farmy CH380 combined with the New Holland TM190 has created a formidable duo in the forestry industry. The Pezzolano PTH 1400 M is equipped with a powerful Caterpillar engine with a capacity of 1,150 horsepower. It has 10 cutting blades, capable of chopping wood into 25mm chips. It plays a key role in wood processing operations. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. We promise to bring you more interesting videos, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.